In this video, we'll be looking at all the company level settings and what each one does. These settings apply to the company in general and also affect the entire team. These settings are only available to company admins. At the very top here, we can customize the company logo. Simply click the Change Logo button and select the image you'd like to use. Next, we have the various company details, including the name, company type, contact information, and the number of employees and the industry that the company operates in. When changing any of these details, make sure you click the Save button once you're done. The next section contains settings that affect all team members in the company. The first setting dictates whether non-admin users are able to create or edit their list of categories. If this is disabled, they will simply inherit the company's category list, which can be managed by any company admin. Next, we have the category display format. You have the option of displaying the category name alone, or a combination of category code and name in either order. Next is a very similar option to the first one, and it controls whether non-admins inherit the company's list of tags, or if they're able to control their own list. Related to this option is this next one. This option essentially allows all team members to share all tags with each other. If this option is enabled, but this one is disabled, then only admins can control the tags list. If both these options are enabled, then admins and non-admins can all contribute to the company-wide list. The next option dictates whether the rules created by admins are automatically applied to the entire team. Regardless of whether this is enabled, non-admins are still able to create their own rules list as well. The Auto Create Payment Types setting determines whether missing payment types are automatically created when they are found on collected documents. If this happens, the newly created payment type will also automatically be assigned to that document. The next two options dictate whether documents can be marked as billable and whether this happens automatically by default on new documents. If the Track Billable setting is disabled, the billable option won't be visible in the document details view. And finally, we have a setting that controls document approval. When this setting is enabled, documents can only be approved after they've been matched to a bank transaction. If it's disabled, this isn't required and they can be approved at any time. Documents can be approved by the company admins and by the team members manager. You may notice that there's no Save button at the bottom of this section. This is because settings in this section are applied and automatically saved as soon as they are changed. That's it for the company settings. If you have any questions, comments or feedback, you can contact us at support@veryfi.com.